What is a sixth sense? A sixth sense is a supposed ability to perceive things that are not picked up by the five traditional senses: sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. It is often described as a sense of intuition or a gut feeling that cannot be explained by logic or reason. Some people believe that a sixth sense allows us to perceive things like danger or the presence of spirits. Scientific theories behind a sixth sense. While the concept of a sixth sense is often associated with paranormal or supernatural abilities, there are some scientific theories that suggest that humans may have the ability to perceive things beyond the traditional five senses. These theories are based on research into the way that the brain processes information. One theory is that humans have an innate ability to sense magnetic fields. Some animals, such as birds and fish, are known to use their ability to sense magnetic fields to navigate and find their way. Scientists believe that humans may also have this ability, although it is not as developed as in other animals. Another theory is that humans have an ability to sense subtle changes in the environment that cannot be picked up by the traditional senses. This is known as the theory of non-local perception, which suggests that humans may be able to perceive things like emotions, intentions, or the presence of danger at a subconscious level. Evidence to support the existence of a sixth sense. While there is no conclusive scientific evidence to support the existence of a sixth sense, there are some studies that suggest that humans may have abilities beyond the traditional five senses. One study published in the journal Frontiers in Human Neuroscience found that some people may have an ability to sense changes in the Earth's magnetic field. The study involved exposing participants to a rotating magnetic field and measuring their brain activity. The researchers found that some participants showed a response to the magnetic field, suggesting that they may have an ability to sense it. Another study published in the journal PLOS One found that some people may be able to detect changes in the air pressure that occur before a storm. The study involved asking participants to rate their level of discomfort during different weather conditions. The researchers found that participants who reported higher levels of discomfort during changes in air pressure were more accurate at predicting the onset of a storm. While these studies are intriguing, it is important to note that they are not conclusive and more research is needed to determine whether humans have a genuine sixth sense. Alternative explanations for the concept of a sixth sense. While some people believe in the concept of a sixth sense, there are alternative explanations for the experiences that are often attributed to it. For example, a feeling of intuition or a gut feeling may be the result of unconscious processing of information that is not consciously perceived. In other words, the brain may be picking up on subtle cues in the environment that we are not consciously aware of. Similarly, experiences of the presence of spirits or other supernatural phenomena may be explained by psychological factors, such as suggestibility or a tendency to see patterns and connections where none exist. In conclusion, while the concept of a sixth sense has been around for centuries, there is no conclusive scientific evidence to support its existence. While there are some intriguing studies that suggest that humans may have abilities beyond the traditional five senses, more research is needed to determine whether these abilities are genuine. In the meantime, it is important to consider alternative explanations for experiences that are often attributed to a sixth sense. These alternative explanations may be rooted in the way that the brain processes information and perceives the environment. It is also important to approach claims of a sixth sense with a healthy dose of skepticism. While there are many people who claim to have supernatural abilities, it is important to remember that these claims are often not supported by scientific evidence. Ultimately, whether or not a sixth sense exists may be a matter of perspective. Some people may believe that they have a sixth sense based on their own experiences, while others may be more skeptical. What is important is that we continue to explore the mysteries of the human mind and the way that we perceive the world around us. Thank you for watching this video on whether a sixth sense actually exists. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.